Welcome teachers! Let's take a look at the settings in your Focus gradebook. Clicking on the cogwheel brings up this screen with tabs that run along the bottom. Our first tab, View Options. You have some general items you can view, including inactive students and your grading legend, which is defaulted on. Assignment column headings allow you to turn on those icons, and then optional columns like grade level, student number, and this gradebook group. Now, gradebook groups have to be turned on in order to use this tab down at the bottom. Our next tab is Configuration. You can set things like default assignment points, the default due date, and assignment sorting. Now, these at the bottom are important because the first one is weighting assignment grades by category. If it's turned on, you're going to be able to add weights, and remember, weights must equal 100%. You could add assignments to all of your sections by default, and you can also show all assignments on the student portal and remove the publish date option. So that way, parents and students can always see gradebook assignments even if they're not published yet. This groups option allows you to create custom groups in your gradebook. You can see that I have 4 groups here and that students are assigned to those groups. You can change them up anytime you want to throughout the year. The last option, Grade Colors. This allows you to customize letter grades that appear a certain color in your gradebook. So when I come out of our settings, you're going to see all of these different colors that are represented here for me to easily see which grade a student had. And those are your settings in Focus. Thanks for watching this Byte of Tech with your student data team. Be sure to check out our recommended video, as well as our other videos that we have to help you master Focus.